Now I'm going to show you how to change the motor oil on a GY6 150cc. This is a 2012 Taotao ATM150-A Evo scooter. And the drain plug is right here. It's a 17mm socket. So I'm going to go ahead and get it started, get it loose. This is an upgraded drain plug. It's got a magnet on the tip. And you can see it's collected some very tiny metal fragments. I'm going to go ahead and clean that off. So that drain plug's all cleaned up. And I've applied some Teflon tape for leak protection. On the exhaust side, there's another drain plug. It's a bit larger, but it's still a 17mm socket. And it's located right there. That drain pan under there. Catch everything. This one's got a spring in it, so be careful when you pull it out. That's what it looks like. There's also an oil filter in there that needs to come out. It's a mesh screen. And there it is. So here's what it looks like when it comes out. You got the drain plug. I have an upgraded magnetic drain plug, spring, and then the oil filter goes in like that. I'm going to clean it up and put it back in. Here's everything nice and cleaned up. You can see the drain plug has a magnet in the middle, like a donut. Now it's time to fill it up with about 700 milliliters of oil, 800 milliliters. So somewhere around 0.7, 0.8 liters, about the same in quarts. And here's the dipstick oil fill right here. I'm using Valvoline synthetic 20W50. I'm just going to eyeball it. I've got about just under 600 milliliters in this bottle. So I'm going to use all of that and a little bit from another bottle. So that was about 600 milliliters. I'm going to put in another 100 and check where we are. The way you check the oil level is you insert the dipstick, but don't screw it in. Just insert it until it stops. So it looks good. It should be in the area that's hatch marked, and it's towards the top, so that's good. I'm going to run the engine for a while and check it again. Okay, I've run the engine a bit, so I'm going to check it again. Check the oil level. And it's good. Perfect. Between the hatch marks. All done. As you can see, I've collected the used oil for recycling.